Hello everyone, welcome to Monday. Big day today. I'm always trying to find positive news because there's so much negative out there to present you. Today it wasn't hard. The market jumped up at the open, ended up breaking out of the range, setting a new high on the recovery, and all these things that were happening. I'm watching very powerful day today. Okay, my gut feel is today was important. And so what happened was that there was a couple of events. Chairman Powell, the Fed chairman, was on 60 Minutes on Sunday talking about how he would not bet against the U.S. economy and that they were standing behind that, which I think is very important. And then a company called Moderna had some exciting news about the vaccine possibilities and some of the trials that they're working on. I think they have a long ways to go, but we happen to own Moderna, by the way. It's the biggest holding in our immunotherapy and genomics targeted index. And so we are there. And that's one of the reasons to buy targeted indexes with a big basket of stocks instead of trying to figure out which stock is going to make those moves. It was our biggest gainer, certainly this day. And so one of the things that we'll have to watch for is, we broke out once before and we fell back down into the range. It wasn't nearly as powerful as what we saw today. And we have seen the market trying to hit the top of that range much more often than the bottom, which to me means that it's trying to go up. I know there's lots of problems potentially in the future, and we will continue to watch those and be aware of those, but I'm probably going to be pulling back on the hedge because in this environment the hedge is going to do poorly and hold us back some. So you might see some transactions from that starting tomorrow. But overall, I'm very, very happy with what I've seen. And if things get poor again, we can always move back to the hedge and have that position there. So I want to thank everybody for watching today, and I hope I get a chance to talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.